Hello, I'm Roland. In this video, I want to show you the export points application for CATIA. This one is split into sections. First section, we will export points from 3D, and the second section, we will export points from 2D. Okay, in the first section, from exporting points from 3D, we have two options. We can select either a CATIA drawing or an Excel. If we select first the CATIA drawing, then we have a box here with all the drawings open in our session. We can choose which drawing to be taken in consideration. Then we will select the geometrical set that contains the points. And here we have a optional option. If we want to select other axes, if we want to measure according to, I don't know, different axis system, we can select the same like we select the geometrical set. In my example, I have only the absolute axis system, so there's no need for this selection. Then I will run. After I'm running this, basically the drawing is activated and I have a new view in the first sheet with this table according to my coordinate point. Okay. In the second option, we can choose to export direct to Excel. If I go back to the part and then click Excel, all my selection will be the same. I'm able to run, and after I'm running this, in a few seconds, the Excel will pop up with my result, and I'm able to save if I want the spreadsheet. Okay. Going to the second tab, basically now we need to export from a drawing. Okay, in this situation, we consider we have multiple tables in our drawings and we need to select which one we want to, to use. For this, basically we have here a button to search table inside the drawing, and then we have a list with all the tables. In this situation, we have the generate bomb 1 and generate bomb 2. I will select this one. We will see here the name of the table and the row, and then I will run table check. This one will grab all the points from the table and add into the application. We can see the points here from 1 to 8 and with the values. And after this, we can go in our 3D session. In this example, we have two axes here. So first we will select the axis and run. I will go to the axis export and run. We see now all the points are related to this one. If we want, we can export multiple times, and also we can choose different axis system. In this situation, I will reselect the axis according to this one. We will see we have another geometrical set with this point. This one, I don't know, if we have drawings with multiple datums and we want to check local some points, we can directly import into the 3D and compare directly there. Easy to manage. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed and have a nice day.